Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Instacart for Business to place business or bulk grocery orders quickly and easily. To get started, open your web browser and search for Instacart Business, then click on the official result that highlights Fast Delivery for Businesses. This platform is perfect for companies that regularly need groceries or office supplies and want to avoid running out of essential items. Once the page opens, create a free business account and set up your business profile. After that, you can invite colleagues to join the account so multiple people can place or manage orders, set ordering rules, and create lists of frequently purchased items to make reordering faster and more efficient. This is especially helpful for handling bulk grocery orders or ongoing office supply needs. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can use Instacart for Business to streamline your ordering process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.